guys? Here, this is Yemi Odunsi. Today, guys, I'm going to be breaking down the trade I took on CHF and let's get into the video. So, as you guys can see right now, we're on the daily time frame. That's what we're going to be using the daily time frame down to the maybe 1 minute. We'll see. So, on the daily, this is what we're looking right now. We're on a uptrend. As you guys can see, we have lower lows, lower highs. So, let's zoom into the chart right there. Okay, so right now, so previously, before we had this big red candle to the downside, we are trading. So always, if you look at my previous video, you can see which always traded support and resistance, right? So if we this would have been our former what's it called, former support zone, and this would have been our former this would been our former resistance right there. So as you guys can see, we had this push to the upside, came back down, pushed back, came down, couldn't break it. Retested, came back up, couldn't break it. We had this push down again, came back, couldn't break it, came back down, and now this is where we are. So let's go ahead and collect the previous chart. And before I do that, guys, you guys, let's go to the 4 hour so you guys can see this perfectly. We had this rising wedgie, and everyone knows what the rising wedgie is. What comes after a rising wedgie is a bearish move, a drop to the downside. And I'm gonna put a drawing here so you guys can see, so you guys can understand it. So we had this push to the upside and boom, back down. So let's go back to the daily. Take these bad boys out. Okay, move drawing. Now let's since we have this push, we disrupt our support. Let's go back ahead and reanalyze this right there. So guys, as we can see right there, we want to trade this with support and resistance. We're only going to be trading this part of the chart right there. Don't worry about anything else, guys. This is all we're going to be trading. This part. The rest of these is just rubbish. Forget about it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and draw our support zone again. Remember, guys, all you need is support zone. All you need is support resistance, and maybe sometimes a little support in the name, which I fucking hate. I mean, I'm not a big fan of it. And now we're going to go ahead and draw our resistance. As you guys can see right here, we have struggling to break this, struggling to break this. So we're gonna go ahead and draw this right there. So what we're basically saying right now is we want the market to come back here to retest this, then fall back down. Because as you guys can see, we had this push here, push here, push here, push here. Basically, that's what we want from the market. So remember, the higher the time frame, the more accurate your decisions are going to be. So we're going to go ahead and take our buy position. That's really it, guys. Even if you, I mean, you can go down to the 4 hour. You can see right there, it's forming this right there. So he wants to go to the upside. So basically, we can go ahead and just take a buy trade from the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, see what happens here, guys. When I took this trade, I had a Nasdaq trade. I mean, a US 30 trade running, and when I saw this move to the downside, I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna take this risk. So I ended up closing my position at here, right here, and that was it for me, guys. And this was a 1 to 3. So it was a nice trade. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if this video helped you out.